Breathe in, stop the clock. Now I see the one I count every place. Sorry I'm late. Sorry I didn't know. And as long as you stay with me, I'll give you all my heart. I'll be without you will.
I don't think it's possible for me in my lifetime to love anyone more than I love you. I will not just reciprocate, but exceed the love and support you've consistently given me since day one na magkasama tayo. These are mere words that I'm saying right now. Pero asahan mo na I will prove it to you through deeds and actions.
In a beautiful way. As long as you stay with me.
To my queen, maraming salamat sa pagsasama natin for this past 11 years. And syempre, more years after this ceremony. Biruin mo, 1/3 yun ang buhay natin.
Oh, you're like an earthquake inside of me. Oh, it's like I'm learning how to breathe. Catch a wildfire in your eyes, I'm under. Pull me in close, light me up like summer. Stars will burn out long before we do.
Han, salamat sa 11 years at sa madami pang mga taon na magkakasama tayo dalawa. Lagi natin sinasabi na wala naman magbabago kapag kinasala tayo. Pero alam ko naman yung mga bagay na alam ko na dapat matutunan ko pa rin bilang partner mo. At ngayon, asawa mo na kagaya ng pagluluto. Sana.
Further into something we never knew we wanted, and all we gotta do is hold on. Oh, you're like an earthquake inside of me. Oh, it's like I'm learning how to breathe. Catch a wildfire in your eyes, I'm wondering. Pull me in close, light me up like summer. Stars will burn out long before we do. We're out on the edges, we're this close to heaven. Oh, it's never letting us go. Oh, you're like an earthquake inside of me.
Awaited couple of the year. Here's Ponchi and
Oh,
Nana.
it's like I'm
Over you,
learning how
Mr.
to
and
breathe.
Mrs. Aguila.
Oh, what a sunrise morning view. Oh, all I know right now is all I want is you. Catch a wildfire in your eyes, I'm wondering. Pull me in close, light me up like summer. Stars will burn out. Stars will burn out long before we do.
Han, Harry B, Boji, my king. I've been dreaming this moment and it's now happening.
Well, ako kasi yung first niya. First girlfriend. So, for 11 years, ako lang yung naging relationship niya. Of course, nandun yung sa moment na ako na ba talaga din. So, hindi naman siya yung first ko. Pero, ang dami pa rin talagang, alam mo yun, doubts and hindi namin alam kung ready ba talaga kami. But of course, we trust each other na habang nandun sa relasyon na to, alam namin, we will do it. We will fight for it.
Hello, what a wonderful life. I'm making it a point to never ever leave your side. You made me change the way I see every day, every night. I'm tangled up in love. I'm lost inside your eyes. And they say
Always put God first in everything you do, in every decision, and then magsama kayo ng payapa.
No matter what, do not stop loving each other.
and I'm not gonna lie, I was a little lost without you. Don't you dare leave, 'cause it's only getting better. And I don't know how you do it, there ain't nowhere to run. I'm tangled up inside your love.
Dinadasal ko na yung journey niyo ni Boji matupad lahat ng pangarap niya. Yun. I love
Tama
you.
na, Bima. Tama na. Bigyan ako bit. Kuliyak na yun.
I'm tangled up inside your love.
I promise to love you, not just as the person you are now, but as the person you're still becoming. I promise na kahit anong mangyari, I will be your safe place, your support, and your biggest fan. Mahal na mahal kita, noon, ngayon, at habang buhay.
When I met you, that was the time that I also prayed to God. I asked Him this time, Lord, kung sino man yung makikilala ko, sana siya na yun, lalaki na di lang ako mahal, pero nandyan siya sa hirap at ginawa.
I was a little lost without you. Don't you dare leave, 'cause it's only getting better. And I don't know how to do it, there ain't nowhere to run. I'm tangled up inside your love. Don't you dare leave, 'cause it's only getting better. And I don't know how you do it, there ain't nowhere to run. I'm tangled up inside your love.
It is my great joy and honor to present to you for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Boji and Dara Aguilar.